You think your money is safe in the bank? Think again. The moment you deposit it, the bank is lending out 90% of it. This is how the debt system works. If you don't know this hidden rule, you're playing a game where you can't win. Let's break it down. When you deposit, say, $1,000 into your savings account, you see that full amount on your statement. You feel secure, right? But here's the reality. The bank doesn't just let that money sit there. Thanks to a system called fractional reserve banking, they're only required to keep a small fraction of your deposit on hand, historically around 10%, so $100 in this case. What happens to the other $900? It's immediately loaned out. Someone else walks into the bank needing a loan for a car, a business, or a home. The bank hands them your $900. Now, that person spends it, and the money ends up in another person's bank account. And guess what? That new bank does the exact same thing. It keeps 10%, $90, and lends out the remaining $810. This cycle repeats over and over again. Your initial $1,000 has now created a chain reaction, effectively creating thousands more dollars out of thin air in the form of debt. The entire financial system is built on this principle of creating money through lending. The bank profits by charging interest on these loans' money that was yours to begin with. You, on the other hand, get a tiny bit of interest on your savings, if you're lucky. So while your account balance says you have $1,000, that physical money is constantly in motion, fueling the economy through loans and debt. The system works as long as everyone doesn't try to withdraw their money at the same time. If that happens, it's called a bank run, and the bank wouldn't have enough cash on hand to pay everyone back. That's why there are government protections like deposit insurance to prevent widespread panic. But it just goes to show, the money in your account is more of an IOU from the bank than a pile of cash sitting in a vault with your name on it. You're not just a customer. You're an investor in the bank's lending business, whether you realize it or not. If you think that's wild, wait till you hear what they do with your credit card payments. Follow to unlock the rest of the banking secrets.